your appointment?
2:30.
No problem. We'll take care of it.
So.
Okay, no problem. We'll take care of it.
Thank you, RDB, for this great service. I had a good experience today. You guys are the best.
Myths of RDB is everybody likes to bring their car with no gas. Literally almost every single car has no gas. When I mean no gas, I mean 0 miles left gas. As you see, range is 0. Please refuel. I don't know, it's just one of the things people do, but we're gonna go get gas with this M5. We just tuned it. The whole right side actually was damaged from the fender to the door, quarter panel. The quarter panel actually had to be replaced, so it was a big job. We also lowered the vehicle after, we blacked it out, and now we tuned it. So came into an accident, we got that sorted nicely, and now it's tuned and lowered. It looks nicer than it did before. That's what we do at RDB, so let's go get some gas. Alright, so behind me, we are about 80% finished with this G-Wagen 4x4 squared. This one is getting wrapped in satin luster red. So it's a really deep metallic red. It's satin, looks really cool. It's not your basic solid satin red, but it does have metallic in there, so it gives it a little bit more class. We have it fully apart, as you could tell, doing it the right way as always, getting it all laid on there. This is Tyga's 4x4, so we're making sure it looks good. We're also getting Forgiato 24-inch Gambi wheels, which have that crazy offset. Looks really crazy, like a monster truck. The whole theme on this will be red and black. It's gonna look really good when we're done, so stay tuned and keep watching.
Hey, this is not mad, this is satin.
For now, we have the tires. The wheels are coming in a little bit. It's almost the same size as the stock. This is a 37. This is about a 36, so about an inch difference. But this is more all-terrain, so overall it's gonna give it a crazier appearance. The stock tires are more of like a street-friendly tire, but these will be more aggressive, and with the wheels, it's gonna match the color, so it's gonna look good. Just finished up this Porsche. This is a very nice combination Porsche. It's got the burgundy top, burgundy interior, and now it's got this newly installed brushed steel wrap. So this is a textured wrap. You'll see the lines going alongside the car. I'm not the biggest fan of these brushed wraps, but when it's done on the right car and the right color combination, it looks amazing, such as this car. This brushed steel looks really nice with the burgundy. Different angles, different sunlight, it looks different. Looks kind of like matte gray right now in the shade, but in the sun it looks like a chrome. So really cool. It was wrapped before in another gray color. Customer was not happy with it. It wasn't done here, it was done somewhere else. So now she opted to do this. We did the door jambs as well in brushed steel, which is difficult to do, but everything matches and we're done. So on to the next one.
It's gonna be sick. And it's gonna have the RDBLA up there.
So yeah. So basically, he looks towards RDBLA.
Yeah, he's gonna be looking at our building, so it's gonna look really dope. Yeah.
Alright, so behind me we have the 4x4 completed. It looks incredible. This car was like a champagne color before. You can't even tell. Now it's a satin metallic red. It looks really nice. It's more of a burgundy color than a bright red. Really, it was to match Tyga's new Cullinan, which he got and was factory burgundy color. So this is kind of going to match that. We're waiting for the 4G autos. Unfortunately, they did not make it in time for this video. In another video, we'll show you completely done with those wheels. But for now, it's got the stock wheels on there, which we powder coated gloss black. So it still looks incredible. Yeah, we're on set right now at this beautiful location. It's a lot of mountainous terrain, so we had some fun with it. So car's done, everything's good. We're waiting for the wheels now, so. You know what these are? You don't know what these are. You know what this is? Travis Scott Jordan ones. It is sick, right? You put the pink laces on there. Yes. Hey, no touch. No touch. That's his like logo, Cactus Jack. And it says it on this side too.
This is the customer shoes. Just take them for the